Christmas Dinner Menu Recipes Number 2. When I think of this meal, I think of Christmas in a hunting lodge in the mountains or perhaps in Wales somewhere. Cornish game hen is a delightful bird, however they are so small you have to serve one per person, so please keep that in mind when you're making this meal. Stuffed Cornish game hen recipe. Cornish game hen. 2 teaspoons oregano, 2 teaspoons rosemary, 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons basil, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons pepper, 1/2 cup of oil, olive preferred, for 6 hens. Stuffing. 1 cup breadcrumbs, 2 cups dried bread, chopped into small bits, 1 cup water. Please note, you are going to combine these spices twice. Combine spices and blend with oil using a food processor or whisk. Baste each hen in oil and lay aside. Combine spices, water, bread and breadcrumbs into medium sauce pot over low heat until stuffing is satisfactory, moist, but not drowning. Stuff the hen's cavity with the stuffing and baste again for good measure. Bake hens at 400 degrees for 2-3 hours until meat reaches poultry temperatures. Rice pilaf recipe. 2 cups white rice, 2 teaspoons olive oil, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup chopped celery, up to 4 cups of chicken stock, 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper. Prepare rice until it is sticky. In rice, combine onion, celery, olive oil, chicken stock and pepper. Boil off the stock. Rice should take an attractive color and vegetables should be soft when done. Serve warm. Cherry pie recipe. 2 cups cherries, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon vanilla. Combine cherries, sugar, water, and vanilla into large saucepot and reduce until the cherries caramelize into a thick sauce. Place 1/2 of prepared pie crust into pie pan. Empty contents to pot into the pan. Place the other half of the crust over the top and crimp. Cut 4 slits into the top crust and cover with white sugar. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes or until crust is golden brown. Serve warm, with ice cream if desired. Enjoy this meal. It's fun to prepare and the payoff is delicious. By the way, another great way to keep food moving at a table is to have a lazy Susan for spices and popular dishes at the center. This facilitates the movement of food and easy access for butter, salt, pepper and other condiments. Another good decor tip is to remember place cards for you and your guests. It greatly reduces confusion when it comes time to eat. Enjoy this game-themed dinner. I always love your comments. I would love to see them below.